the main office to receive your gift or your prize.
Now, I like that song, Walk On By. Now, the question is, who's gonna walk by you? This is for real. People might not know who you are, but they already judged you. And when I say that you're gonna have folks out there that's not gonna want the best for you, but at least here, we want the best, and we want to make sure that you guys are ready to tackle the world. But you got to put forth the maximum effort to do what you got to do to make sure you're successful. Your job is to come to school every day. Your job is to come to school every day and listen to the teachers. Your job is to come to school and put forth maximum effort. How you perform in 6th, 7th, and 8th grade determines your path for high school. You can't wait until you're in 8th grade to be serious about school. Today is a new day. Let today be your day. We are a school of excellence. Stand. 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 Be proud. I haven't been here for 19 just to say I've been here for 19 years, but we are 19 years of excellence. Running strong and running hard. So you want to do your best. The student that has the most learning gains, will receive the gift card. Listen to the criteria, because this is how you're going to determine if you're going to be eligible to receive a $150 gift card to Foot Locker. On top of that, we're taking you to the mall. We're going to take you to the Cheesecake Factory and Foot Locker, and you get to choose the pair of shoes that you want. I'm not saying that you got to have the highest level. What I am saying is you got to be able to give me the most learning gains. We give you guys a lot. We expect a lot. Only thing we want you to do is your very best. You got a phenomenal group of teachers. Great school. Let's make it count.